this time, we have Dave Batista, who you might recognize from Guardians of the Galaxy.
Thank you.
This one's your favorite?
She's so loving.
She's working her magic.
Don't give me that look.
She's like, come on, why don't you adopt me?
You're usually the adopter.
Yeah, I have 4. All rescues.
Might be 5 soon.
Yeah.
Look at us. We both look super defined.
And now that he looked the part, it was time for Dave's official initiation.
This time, Dave's doing the adoption. Let's see how good of an actor he is.
Dave, when they walk in, bark and woof to them as a dog.
It's an everyday thing for me. Oh, it's kids.
Hello, how are you?
All right, you can stop. I don't want to make it too hard on him.
Sorry for barking.